Hello everyone. So as a part of Center for Teaching and Learning, so in this session we are going to see about that our course UI and UX design. So in that we are seeing about the first unit, UI design fundamental. In particular the topic is that UI and UX interface in good design versus bad design. So here any idea about that, what is good design and then bad design? So the student centric, we have easily understand the concept. We have picturized the images for your reference. So what is this? I think people, you have completed design thinking project, also you have documentized your work. So in the documentation, what are the things you have carried out? Okay, so what is the way we can create the document, what are the things we should included in the documents? So everything we have used for while creating documentation. Okay, so similarly the same concept we go for that, applying any interfaces in the either good design or bad design. So good design decided by the user, as well as the in before that the designer must take care. So what are the things considered for the designing any interfaces and all. So now enter into the topic. So here we have take is that the goal of good UX design is to create intuitive and easy to navigate experience that the user will enjoy interacting with. However, that's often easier said than done, and bad UX design can often shape into the end product. So here the images wise we have so what is the good design, what is the bad design? So here in this slide we have taken some real world problem and what are the mistakes they have done while designing their sites. So Netflix, everyone know about that Netflix is the OTT platform. So many Netflix users detest the autoplay preview feature. So Netflix finally created a setting that enable user to turn it off. Unfortunately, many users don't know that, and even if they do, they have to figure out whether their account setting they can display it or not. Next one is that, so good UX, Google search landing page. The page is the front page of the, or what is that, starting page of the Google search engine. So its main focus is a large text entry box in the middle of the page surrounded by white space. So while search was Google's original product, the interface has barely changed in 25 years outside of additional product and information links at the top of the bottom of the. See, for example, the same product travel on the world and in the available in the market for the past either 10 years, 20 years and then 40 years, is that people are liking the same concept, but they are adding additional feature, not affecting the basic features and all. Okay, so next one is that the Disney park COVID messaging is that. So Disney needed to quickly and efficiently communicate the status of its different theme parks to potential guests. However, almost 3 years later, this information has yet to be integrated into sites. See, that static and dynamic web pages are there. So static is that the data will be available for the long of the year. Dynamic is it is going to change for the periodical interval time. But these data not changed or not removed from the sites, it also pull down the designing of the particular sites and all. Yes, so the worldwide the people know about that, what is the Apple phone is that. Here the various Apple phones are there, but here we have considered so how to differentiate these product. So Apple is known for creating devices that are not only beautiful to look at, busy, easy to use, and that extend to the company's website, and one of the website most useful element in the computer future. So these future we can compare the various product of the iPhone. So here in this picture we have displayed for you that based upon the color and then product specification and then product name. So this is one of the interface design. Okay, so next assessment is that, so we have idea about that what is good versus bad. and then what are the opportunities in the designing sector, what are the example we have carried out for this one. So people should clear about that. So good design versus bad design. So good design, we should follow some aesthetics, and we should follow some principles, and we should follow some rules. So then only we can provide the design with attraction. So then only this will be covered up by the users and all. And many designer, so they should care about the designing about that, and what are the, they should care about that empathy of the customer mind. So then only their product will be succeed. Okay, so thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.